Facebook, the world's dominant social network, wasn't as liked by investors as expected. In its first trading day on Wall Street, shares finished at $38.23, just above its IPO price of $38. Still, the pricing values the company at more than $100 billion, and Facebook set a new trading volume record for U.S. market debuts. 28-year-old founder and chief executive Mark Zuckerberg rang the opening bell from Facebook headquarters in Menlo Park, California. But the celebrations came before the trading glitches that delayed the debut due to the high volume of trades, which drove up anxiety levels for traders and onlookers. Anupam Pallet, head of research at Greencrest Capital.
It's obviously a very fast-growing company. It's enormous. It is profitable. We do think it has a lot of investment merits. We're just uncomfortable with the valuation at these levels. I think once you see the stock trade off a little bit, valuation come back down to earth, I think you're going to see a lot of institutional money pour in, and it will be a core holding for a lot of firms over the long term.
Pallet has a 12-month price target of $32 a share for Facebook. Wedbush Securities has a $44 one-year target, and Stern & G has a one-year target of $46. There are concerns as Facebook, founded in a Harvard dorm room in 2004, sees a slowdown in its online advertising business, which accounts for the bulk of its revenue. But Michael Pachter of Wedbush says there is still a lot of potential.
So the way that they're really going to grow is by increasing either or the frequency of ads or the amount that they are able to charge for ads. I think they're going to do a combination of both, and I think the way to do it is not to spam users by just slamming ads at them every 5 seconds. I think the right way to do it is to get much better targeted ads, and they can do that because they have information, and make those ads so relevant that the target market is likely to act on them, which makes an advertiser willing to pay a lot.
Zuckerberg, in a talk before employees, many newly minted millionaires, at least on paper, stayed on message.
This is an awesome moment. Remember, stay focused and keep shipping.
While Facebook's debut didn't quite live up to the firestorm of interest, there's great expectation investors will continue to like the stock if the earnings match up to the hype. In New York, I'm Reuters reporter Jill Bennett.